Hello, and welcome to Shane's Microscope. I'm Shane, and this is my microscope. Let's take a peek. Well, hey everyone, I wanted to give you a peek at my new microscope. I acquired this research-grade microscope at auction. It is a Zeiss Axiophote from 1986, a very good year. And it has got all planar corrected neo-fluor objectives. Things are going to look really nice through those. It's got differential interference contrast, DIC capabilities. Camera's going to go up here. It's technically capable if I added a new lamp house of doing fluorescence microscopy, and it's got integrated 35mm film cameras, but probably won't use any of that. These high contrast techniques require a lot of light, so it's got a 100-watt lamp house. And down here we've got polarizers and filter cassettes to our heart's content. The previous microscope looks like a toy next to it. It actually came in about 6 boxes, so I've spent the last several weeks assembling and aligning and cleaning and and I've gotten things to a point where I'm getting some pretty nice images, so I'm really excited to share those with you. The whole thing actually weighs about 70 pounds. I had to add a little extra foot to my keyboard since the desk is no longer level. But hey, you know, with this thing we're going to be able to see stuff that is out of reach of most amateurs. But if you're patient and willing to look for a good deal and willing to tinker with it, you definitely need to tinker with it. Then there's some cool stuff out there. Alright, well I think we'll leave it there for the day. Thanks for having a look with me. Until next time, keep on peeking.